Yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really not work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, why's that boy preaching? The words not reaching. Now I'm going for your church, boss. Not Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system.
Listen to me, Sister Nadine. I don't want you continue to make that boy thing over here. Your dirty baby father. Me don't want him over here. Because he's my link for the little jing bang link down the lane. You hear me tell her?
Yes.
And listen, nobody knows me and things, you know.
Yo, Miss Candy, you see, me didn't ever know so far. Me not come, me not lie you. But it's a bad road and where can we come in a bush, man?
Driver, me sure say you ask me which part me I go and me tell you and the money where you charge me pay you, so you're not supposed to complain.
Yeah, you tell me where you go, but me never know so far.
Well, me no the distance me can't even know neither, because me just recently moved in a place. A direction me get to. Big boy, come out of the bus now.
God, man, tell you around
you see me tired already and they come from so far, you come up in a bus like I in there you live. You're not coming out.
Come like
I pick up your suitcase. You're not going to help me carry it today. You're too big and lazy. How me to talk to? Turn around. When
see suitcase, Miss Candy. When me gone here, your son can't deal with it.
Remember, say me pay already, you know, you didn't give me back no change, but you can't take it because the road bad. You, come help carry suitcase. Turn around, me I talk to you. When me I talk to you, look for me. Thank you, sir.
I don't like up here, so look up here, that be a bush.
You don't like up here, so? Your papa did give me anywhere?
We say we'll keep it on a secret.
Secret. You see? Come, because last night, I never liked what you do, but come on.
We will talk about that part then.
What?
Do me the beg you. Me just newly come in the area and you with your antics and the grill. Don't come here so with it. Please, me take up your suitcase.
Mosquito go bite me.
All right. Big boy! Big boy, all right. I went there around there go. Big boy, come help me with the suitcase. All right, wait till I hold you. You're the one like a out door, you're the go sleep tonight. You figure you have to come in. All right.
Hold on, you know them people there?
No, it looks like a new people.
Come if you got introduced yourself.
Well, if the whole I load them for me. Oh, you're little and wicked. But if I want food, me they call you for your complete door. Big boy!
You need to hold this out, man, when around, so.
It's okay.
Take God. Put down a smile.
Some boy go make me lick him down, you know. Big boy, come help me carry the suitcase.
Hello. Good evening. My name is Village Lawyer. I'm the man who know everybody around here and this. Come now, Sister Nadine. You have to present yourself properly, you know. So yes, this is Sister Nadine, and I, as I said before, I am Village Lawyer. I'm the man who know everybody and know everything around here.
Hi.
You like you new. Where are you from, though?
Sir, I come here to question me about my business.
I mean, you just come in the community, and I like to.
I come from Negril. I'm just recently moving to the area. What is it?
Well, I just introducing myself. As I said before, I'm the man who know everybody, and he look like a very nice. I see
you know everybody.
That's your son. That's your son. Just run out. That's your son.
Yes. What?
That's a very big boy, man.
He is a big boy.
All right.
See for yourself, thank God.
All right. Sorry for.
Why make you come and question me? I don't like people that question me. I not even know you. Where you come from?
I'm the caretaker for this land over here, but I live up there. You see? And this is Sister Nadine. She live over there. So, yeah, I'm the man. But sorry for disturbing, man.
If you guys same church, what me call is I say sister, sister. Is it church brother?
Yes, it's my church brother.
So, what, you can say something? Why your arms him up so in your arm and your church brother? Is your husband? So,
My church brother.
say enough.
Listen, man.
What?
Is my church sister. It's nothing more than that.
Your church sister.
Yes, as I said,
right.
sorry for disturb you.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of the day, see?
You come to me just to question me because you don't know me, or you come to come help me carry the bag because the big boy run gone. My one son that me have run gone. Because he don't want to help me with the bag. And you just come and question me and get on top of my nerves and this a boy give me trouble. What is the problem, sir?
That's a fitness stay, man, but listen.
Like, seriously?
Let her help me with the bag then. Sister Nadine, swoop up, you see? Let me help her with the bag.
If you want to help me, you help me, man. Now come over here and question me.
Then that have to say, man.
They finish it. Finish it. Alright.
The school not open yet.
Gate so open. Walk up, no bigger Joe. Come, start right here, so me talk to you. You see what you used to do last year? Me, no one, no teacher, no principal call my phone and tell me, say, you are bad. You see, you walk and in every classroom as canto way me here. You understand? You thief out everybody, picnic sitting, and you beat them up. And this a new year now. And last year, this year, new year, new rules. Let me tell you this, bigger Joe, don't play with me. I mean, I want no teacher. Me no want no teacher call back my phone again. Our principal call back my phone again and tell me, say, bigger Joe, beat up people them pitney and thief out people them pitney things. You hear what me say though, bigger Joe? Bigger Joe, me I talk to you, answer me.
Yes, mommy. Me hear you say.
Go on to school now and make sure say when you come home, your clothes clean for you and make sure say you do your work. And show me when you come from school.
Mommy, today I first day at school.
Look here, me need to see your work because them a give work over there. And
Mommy.
Bigger Joe, when me a talk, don't talk. Listen to me, Bigger Joe. And me your mother, see your sister here? Your sister Sue go to school. Sue Kara go to school. Don't worry about that. Anyway, me say me need to see your work when you come from school.
Okay.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Go on to school now. Later on. Turn up my data. Let me not come down do my data. I will forget one taxi man.
Come out. From morning you asleep. Eh? The light from morning you still lie down in your bed. You know what time now? Go on go bed. Mr. Figure hold your shower right now. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. From morning you wake up. I soon give you one.
Mommy, I can't go to school tomorrow, mommy.
Go to school tomorrow. Son, I want school day this. Big and nasty. Sun hot from morning. No mind sharp bell ring. Devotion start. Go bed. Nasty. Go and go have your shower, man. Yeah, I'm slapping in your mouth. You must see torment. I know that. Stand up out there and be and see what me do with you. Watch me and you. Oi. Oh, you don't bathe so quick. You bathe already?
Yes,
Come here. Come. Let me see back of your ears.
Look. Smell my arm. My beard.
Oh, you look like you wet up your face, oh. You look like you wet up your face. I know your back no touch. So hold on. What water dey on your foot? Your face and right this one, no else water on this. What kind of bathing? Turn up there, may they come. Turn up. You shouldn't run, you should have turn up. You're too nasty. Little boy go bathe and me dey wait for you, come get ready for go to school. Wait man, watch me go do with you. Come, go on.
Mommy, please, mommy, make can't go to school tomorrow, mommy, please.
How much time you go say that? Boy, go along which part of they go?
Mommy, my belly hurt me, mommy. I feel like I want to do.
One!
I feel like I want to do.
No man, that I like. Come, you just look, you no bother me. Come, walk up fast, cause right now you're late. Boy, to pick up the dirty something them off the road, you mad people. Sure. Hurry up. Oi. You go down like people them school gate with your clothes there, so button up yourself, man. Oh, Tada, look how you come on the road and fix up your clothes too.
Mommy, I don't like your pants. Your pants big, mommy.
You're lucky. You take off weight, me did buy as your size. So you not get too much food for them again.
No, you pick them and go laugh off of me.
Make them laugh off of you.
Mommy, I've been here big boy, but me know my pants big.
You teacher, you see, you hear what teacher say? No tight pants. You hear me I tell you? So you better wear you so they want to see it in high school them. They don't want no tight pants in there.
Mommy, girl ain't like tight pants, man.
Are the girl them pants are for you? Like a somebody come to school come look. I send you come to learn. Damn fool, but girl not like big pants. So you must see how tight up yourself sake a girl. Papi sure.
Mommy, give me some money.
You know, see you're big and lazy, me don't like your style, you're too lazy. Big boy, me can't take this thing no more with you. You see all of the out hardness them where you're going in the niggerl, no bother with it down here so. That the school there, your name in the principal book about 1,000,000 and 10 and 100 billion trillion time. Me no want to hear your name in no book and no teacher, they come call me on the phone say they need to talk to me, sake of you. Me tired of it. A new school this. You understand what I say? Yes. New here, new school, so a new rule. All of the old foolishness them where you go on with that niggerl. Please me, I beg you cut out it before you step through people them gate. Because I don't want no principal or no teacher they call me. You hear what me say? So no bother with it down here, so. Oi.
Mommy, give me some lunch money.
I say me not give you no money for it. All right. Hold this. This how much money? How much money this? Look funny.
Nanny.
And nanny the penny, but you don't know how much it, but you know if you spend it anyway, care about me change. $50 you have to take out, they carry one back $450. That is $500. You're big and fool now about nanny. That a nanny. Watch out. Why look like his school gate locked up? Little boy. How long you stand up here, sir? Where's security?
You know, she had 2 seconds ago come here, sir.
Lord Jesus. You see it? You see how me dey tell us if you hurry up? From morning you lie down in your bed, you now move, sun hot. How much o'clock now? The teacher don't mind chapter make the principal turn in school and hear me out here, so you just a come. The
Miss.
first day.
Miss, sit 2, 3
Hello, hello.
days,
Hello,
so
hello.
funny days, so.
Excuse me? You see when you see somebody they talk, you need to say, excuse me, please. Miss, whatever. And you start talk.
But you know, in my way, me just
Hello,
want to say
hello,
something.
hello. Me know say, you're not no manners already. Me can't see it from you. What is the problem?
Yeah, miss. We know so we late, but I saw break time. They so up in it. So, he can't stay until break time.
You sound like you own the school, eh? Anyway, big boy. Hello. You are like you deaf too. The little boy, they go to school over here so long time. So him understand whatever, how them bell ring and go on whatever breaks. So, you see, anytime you hear the bell ring, a breaks time. So just go straight in, go to the teacher or the principal, tell them, say, the reason why you're late is because you wake up late. And you go look on them and say, Miss, sorry, tomorrow morning, I go make sure say me early, me now go do it again. Because your first time you have to tell them say you're sorry and not go like you're no big man like people them school. When you go in to talk to them, me I go somewhere now. We have a lot of things to do. See you can't bother with you, no big boy. Stay there so until they open me gate. And me have to go.
I want some cash right now. So just let it go. No talking. Just give me money.
Hey boy, you know me, big boy.
Oh, yeah, me.
Eh? I mean name big boy, me thump in your face, one wish cash. I think my mother tell me,
Easy.
no, stop, put your hand for me.
Easy, no man.
No, put your hand for
Easy,
me.
no man.
Don't.
Me just do that because guess what? Pocket full of money. Feel like a chunk change can't do me now. So hear me now. I mean him big as June. Me and you can run off the block. We say Yaga River. Yo, where you take so long for think, boy?
Alright, come on, cause me no want to go to school either. My mother did done tell me something bright already, so my mother me not forgot to school.
Top.
My mother don't tell me something bright already. She
That
tell me
is
something
it.
bright.
Yeah,
Me
man.
not forgot to school.
Forward. I have an auntie over there, so what you say? Enough people mango there over there now.
My mother said me nothing in nobody yard. Me not got nobody yard.
Yo, you dopey what? How you come on river then?
Me have money in my pocket. Me can buy something for eat if I want. Me
And we can buy a room over there, so you know.
don't want no rum. You really are gonna vex me over a girl and the girl never talk to you first. The girl never talk to you first, and me girl is a talk to. You move like you're mad, man.
Big man, you know you never talk to me, right?
Big boy,
Mommy?
come here. Little boy, come here. Come on, tie road. Come on, tie road. Oi, stand up right here, so. Come, you come around here, so. Come right here, so, to me. Right here, so. Right. Where you coming from?
Mommy, at school, I come from, then rain did a fall and then they have swimming competition over there and so.
Are you school?
Yes, rain fall, mommy, and I tell us, and then no picnic did in there, mommy, and then some white people come and then give it sweetie and something.
And what they have over your school? Sea or river?
See, rain did a fall and then I was swimming competition.
Jesus Christ. Big boy. Big boy.
Mommy, me not tell you no lie.
What you just said to me? I know you don't say me you come like me dumb. Them have swimming competition at your school.
Yeah.
And rain did a fall and you enter.
Yeah.
Blood of Jesus. Come here.
But mommy,
Come here. Come here. Come here, man. I make you one marina when last money when me take and buy your church out. Big boy. So how you enter swimming competition at your school in a rain? And you cannot swim. You're not afraid of John. Big boy. Oh, you're so, hey, you're wicked online, boy.
mommy, me not tell you no lie, mommy.
Mom,
Yep.
Miss, excuse me, please. A chew. Miss,
Who say what?
Chew. Then they have a swimming competition. But guess what? It's the first thing. You say you can't swim, and you're right. Because he nearly drowned. And me have to pull him out of the water. And you see the worst part of it too. A boy, you see money we give him, one boy kick him in the mouth and take you away.
Come on, so. Come on, so to me.
Mommy, I lie my tell for me, mommy.
Me send you to school for people beat you. Them are your mother and your father.
Mommy, I lie my tell. No boy no kick me no.
Hold on there. Because you give me one side of story, and now this a little boy, you can't give me one other side of story. You know, say it won't lie do. Me no believe none of it won't. Oi, you shut up on the mouth. Nobody no say nothing. Me get a phone call. Say you big boy there river with one of your classmates, them. So I plan this. Eh? Come here. You, come here. You. Look here, stand up right here, so. So all the time you stand up here, they talk. I lie they tell me. So little boy, since me left Uno school this morning, you really take me son and can go river and come tell me like so I plan or no plan. Jesus Christ, I don't know what to do with you. You see if I never one thing, boy, you see as long as I live and you see my son come to school, no have nothing to do with him again. You understand me?
But I never said nothing to him this morning.
How comes you no catch a river? My son don't know it down here so. He just recently moved down here so.
tell you who.
Yes.
I call him, man. We're in class, carry my river.
So you never there river?
No, me not got river. Because I can't swim.
So hold on. Jesus have mercy. Come down from up heaven, come help me. How your clothes are wet? How what happened?
Because, you know...
And why you not in your uniform?
Miss,
Watch ya.
you know,
See your mama. Take it up. Take up here alone and me take it from you and drop. Take it up on the 2 little road.
You know, sister, me fat. I sweat. And,
You're fat.
yeah.
Me look like idiot to you, so I make you sweat. Go your yard. Go your yard. You're damn bad now. Why? Your mama fi kill you with liquor when you go home. You too. And you turn up the, you think, hey boy. Get up. Where never they go. Come here.
Mommy, me tell you, mommy, tell you.
Where they run from me for?
Mommy, because...
I mean your mother, me they talk to you, they run.
Mommy, because water gone from a school from morning and then the principal send me home early so we can go home early, mommy, and then they have one swimming competition over one next place and we did stop.
The teacher tell us or the principal so you can go home?
One night teacher,
Which teacher?
He want to work out the gate, he man work.
I'll call the principal right now. Because you're too
Mommy,
light.
you're not going to get him.
I'm not going to get him.
No, because they have graduation.
I look like idiot to you, not true? Let me tell you something why I left you dirty pooper. Your pooper are idiot. You hear? I never want him told me no fool. You want to language for the... Come here!
Mommy,
Where they run they go? Eh?
mommy, please, mommy.
Stand up, I want to talk to you. Come stand up right here, so. Big boy, me tired to beat you, you know. God knows say me tired to beat you. You not tired to get lick?
Yes, mommy.
So, what make you give so much trouble? Eh? Me send you to school to reach a river, and the amount of lie where you tell me.
Mommy, a bigger Joe, mommy tell me say you are go up there, mommy, and me must come because them have parents teacher meet me up there, and if me not come, he might take me lunch.
Them have parents teacher where up at the river?
Them a Fairfield meeting.
Big boy, you know, so me tired of beat you. Me tired. You not tired to get it? Eh? Every minute, you put yourself in a problem. You need to stop now. Me tired to beat you. Me can't take this no more. It look like I see you want me walk and yam out a garbage pan. I'm mad you want me to mad? Eh? No. Answer me.
No, mommy.
It look like you want mad me. No, sir. God. Me ask you for your son and you give me a problem. Please, me ask you to forgive me. See that kind of pick me up when me get.
Mommy, me have no problem, mommy, me have no problem. Me I go be a good boy.
Me did want one son like Moses. And this a boy I devil himself. Go in, go bed and put on different clothes. Because I don't know what them are. All they carry extra clothes in our bag and sitting. Me say, I don't know what I go do with him. Me tired of you. You see if you're not, big boy, you see if you're not top, if you're not stop get trouble, me go give you for adoption. Watch me and you. I can't take this thing no more, man.
And that hairstyle you go put up, Boy, look on the shoes. Look on the shoes where people then send come for foreign. You go and put on it for you go to school. And me buy your school shoes. What is wrong with you? Come on, man. Come on, and me follow you go to school. You understand?
But mommy, look for my pants. Look for my pants big and crush up when me forgot.
You coffee feet there. Cause me can't even straighten it out because you mash up the iron, little boy. Why make you must do that?
What?
Me tell you to turn down the iron.
Mommy, but you tell me if you turn up the iron, mommy, and me turn it up. Me never expect it to mash up.
That's because the scrot iron. If the man and me carry come to fix the iron, he can't fix it, so you go to school this morning.
Mommy, but I can't buy Mr. Jones iron.
Me not borrow iron. Me say I saw you they go to school this morning. So come on. Come on. I don't give me no talk on the road, little boy. No ramp with me. You know say if you ramp with me already, you know that boy. Oi.
You know what I'm saying? Woman beat me just to go for no reason at all.
What you do?
Me say for no reason, mommy.
You come from school on a ball. Eh? What do you? Tell me what you come here and ball and talk about one lady beat you. Where lady beat you for?
One lady
Talk to me.
One lady when you miss Candy beat me for no reason.
So, me send a guy school in your car, you come back in a dem here.
Because me jump in a dirty water.
No go some. Me want see your car, them wanna go in a house. You see you, Bigger Joe? Watch me and you, me go beat you when me go in.
I put it up on the liquor me get from the woman.
She and your mother, me and your mother, and me go lick you, cause you go tell me now, say me send a guy school after you mash up the iron, after you screw them out of iron now. Me get the man come fix you, and the man can't fix you, and me send a guy school, shame me, you know. And then you come back in this year, go tell me, say, lady beat you. If you come back in your school clothes, then boy. And tell me what make a lady lick you, cause the lady who just get up and lick you. So what you doing, lady? What you doing, lady? Where you take away for lady? Talk to me. Me turn up in a... Talk to me, boy.
Oh, no, my friend named Big Boy. If his mother see me, I come from school with him and he come lick me in my face when I go home to my mother.
So what you do make him lick you? What you do, Panny?
I don't do nothing, mommy.
Look, listen to me. Just go in the house. No, too. Go in.
Mommy, back door, your front door open.
The back door open.
Okay.
Front door not open.
Okay.
Go on. Take your time and go on. And tomorrow, when me I can go to school, me want you can me go show me lady so me can talk to lady because I must something you do lady. I hope I know nothing you doing because anyone nothing you do boy me go murder you. What me say me I go do? Tell up your son me I talk to you. Me say anyone nothing you do me I go beat you. Me I go lick you. So no ramping me boy. Go in there so. In there so me see if you go. I'm go stand and I'm go show me how you write at school. Take time, what man? Come on, Bigger Joe. Every day give people talking. Every day give me talking. Candy! Oi!
How that I call me? How that?
Yes, you lick me son with piece of wood, you know.
Me come in. I fixing my clothes.
Come on there to me, man. Come on there to me. Me need to talk to you, man. Me need to talk to you. You lick me son with wood, man. And I want to know how you lick me son, man. What my son do you?
You got to take up them clothes there, you know. Like rain go fall. Hello.
My
Good
son,
day.
Good day. My son tell me say you lick him with piece of wood. I want to know why you take wood and lick my son.
Mommy, I never would me tell you. Me
You
tell
wa-
you so a fat stick. One stick. When I leave me, there, man.
Hello. Nobody with the
Why?
argument here, so.
You never
Excuse me.
tell-
Hello, lady. You come to me?
Yes.
Your son. Not tell you the reason why me take the hood and lick him with it.
No, you don't tell me reason why. Just run come tell me say, Mommy, Candy take piece of wood and lick me across my back.
No disrespect. As a parent, your pitney come home and tell you something like that and you not try to figure out what is the problem
That's
and why a next person lick your son with piece of wood.
That's-
Well, let me tell you something, woman. You not even know who forget you come. Me no play with people. So when you come on to my son, big boy, me no want nobody pitney ramp with him. Your son first attack me pitney at school. Almost take away all my money. Lucky thing me teach my son sense, if you never know. My son named Big Boy. Original Big Boy. And he no play with people neither. His mother and take off and that is me. He grow without father. So you come at the wrong woman gate. I come accuse me. Listen to me. You accuse me wrongfully. Same how you can take Wednesday and come to me and didn't ask him what go down. Me can't say me never lick him to all if me did lick him. Ask a pitney what happened.
Boy, Bigger Joe, where you lick Candy son at school? Far or come run take you?
Oh, stop it. Hold on right there. So put on some clothes when you're talking. No, lady. No. Tap right there, so right now. No man cannot lick my son. My son no come down, so he's straight. Remember me tell you that. Nobody with him, me never tell us say no man lick my son. Me never say that. Me say your son attack my son to take away money at school. Then, when his sister can't manage me, left him with the money and came go river. And then we are coming from river. You see?
Yeah.
A matter of fact,
Yeah,
let me tell you the full story. It's a phone call I get that my son there river with one little ugly boy and me no know who. You understand? So me leave my yard to go find out who is this thieving boy. In the walk up and down. Because I want my son, you know, me say you knew you just start go to school. And I don't want you go out with no thieving somebody to come put me in a problem because I'm me alone and him. And God. You understand? On my way, coming to the river, me buck my son with this boy. I never know say you have such a nice mother. Oh, the cloth is so ugly. Listen, sorry. Me no mean you no harm, but maybe I the man need favor. Excuse me, daddy. Listen, that no concern me still. Lady, you see your son? You need to teach your son manners and respect. He full of too much attitude. And me go tell you straight up now, yes, me boss him ass. Because I don't have nothing about him. And anyway, did care my son go river go join him. All you not even know what I do with you. You hear me I tell you? Still they look for me from head to toe like a something strange you see in your real life. You see your son, they join my son? Me don't know how it would work out between me and you, lady. Because me would have join you back on anything what want happen, anything or anything. Me don't care what want happen after. I'm not lucky. All you know to do, move from my gate.
Bigger Joe, imagine me saying I got a school boy and you go take people them picnic and carry people them picnic go river and you hey boy, if you the journal people them picnic, and take people them picnic money, boy, me friend piece of switch right here and look at me. Boy, and you go kill you with it.
No, from my gate. I should have police me call pound.
Look how boy make me and you in an argument, Miss Candy, I mean, I'm not supposed to have an argument over there, so I live in I live right here, so.
Over there, so you live?
Yes, right over there, so
Mr. Boy, I didn't tell me when you live where he.
Man, me want peace, more switch with me. It's a boy, I'm not here. Forcing the John, let me switch. Boy, no fight me, no boy. Let me go, put me back. Boy, take care out of my face, no boy. Look how more some make me and the woman.
Jesus.
Look how more some make me and the woman. Hot water.
Whoa.
The switch are broke.
Hold on more from me gate. Don't come in at me yard. Go away. Hold on more from you. More from you, so. It won't no more from me gate. You don't know foolishness. Go on the yard. I don't come around so we don't know damn all foolishness.
I'll kill you.
And that you don't call me for?
You see?
That's the hot water pound.
That's the boy is coming. Me and the woman are in the hot water. And boy, you're going to murder that boy. Piece of switch.
Come. Ring a rosy. Ring a rosy. Ring a rosy. Well, acha, alpha, down.
Me can't play her.
No.
Why?
No. Because no. Come.
You know something like this up on your hand, me can't get it.
No.
Why?
No.
My sister want one.
I'm not business with your sister.
Let me see.
No.
Because you had to.
Me say no.
If you push me again, me I go thump in your back.
I know that. I see me not stop in your mouth. Tell them say no.
Look
Tell
girl.
them say no.
I wonder if you say dry and picky.
Me nah give you me things. Move from in front, me nah give you me things. Me nah give you. Move from in front, me nah give you. No, me don't tell me brother.
We just know we want to tell him brother for him too.
Come in. 1, 2, come now. Knock you back. 1. Pull it. 1. You know play boy. Be a top star here for yourself. That's why you go on so.
Let's go.
What about the sister?
Because you beat me up and take when me suck off of my hand.
I mean bigger you beat you up. Come on. Yo, spoon it. Forward. say, boy, this
Yeah.
yeah, I'm my sister there.
What you talk about?
What you mean then she don't come tell me say you beat her up, ball, come tell me say you beat her up and take her
Beat
things. Yeah. How
Beat
can a
her.
girl think this you have in your hand? What
You
is
know-
that? Why you left on? Come listen and tell her, boy, what I'm to you? I will box in your face or trace you know nobody. Eh? I will shut you alone, the boy. Tell her person.
Turn up.
Yeah, go on, get your eh? What I'm to you? Eh? Relax yourself.
Relax yourself, youth. Yeah, man.
Relax yourself. You're a bad man, man. You're man. Pick up it. Go on. Go on here. Go on, my sister. Me think from here. Go on here. What?
Come here. Come here. Go on here. That's what it is. Hey. Go on here. How are you? Look. Go on here.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your mind.
Mommy,
Yes, a bigger Joe.
you know, say Miss Jennifer boy, them gang me and beat me. Mommy, try give me 500 this morning and them get 100 off to come to school and beat me up and take it away.
You see that one auntie there too. Me can't take the problem, you know. Can't take the problem. Me just can't take it. You know what? Me will turn off the pipe and you can me go show me.
Mommy, what's supposed to wake me up?
Why tapping knife? Tapping knife on me head. Boy, suppose me the wet you up. Boy, them beat you while you couldn't beat them. Look how you big. Look how me I feed you for boy. Him boy.
But him a giant. Him a giant,
Me a
mommy.
feed you for boy.
But he top of you can't leave me, mommy.
Man also.
Oh,
Me a
God.
feed you for boy. Me a feed you for you make people murder you. Eh?
Mommy, we take up badness and top go to school, you know.
Tapping knife, boy, you talk about badness. Me lick off your mouth off your body, boy.
So I praise Pony. But I'm there going to call out my sister now. She dey on her phone, so I know the thing go. Yeah, I make certain so them boy not ramp with there.
Man, anybody do me nothing, I can't tell you.
Yeah, because I have a big belly sitting there. Any boy ramp with there, just let me know. So I know what to do, you see it. Any boy at all or any girl, you tell me.
Come on, what you say? Man, you make him man beat you up.
Because our little girl, his sister something drop off and I'm sure his sister come call him brother them to keep me in my bottom.
So that's your clothes dirty up, so?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go down there.
And them a smoke weed down there.
Me not busy with them and we want to go ask him and make him beat you. Because your clothes dirty. You should have them make you over yourself.
You one of them, but they want to have say a big belly something free.
Lee. Where name?
Rascal.
You me a talk to you, sir. Me come to you. And me say, hold on, you say gang, me pick him and beat him for what? And me he come on here dirty. All in clothes full of grass and dirt.
So you not tell her what I do? You not tell her say I beat up my little sister?
No, you not tell me when do.
But you can't tell her say I beat him up though? I all already beat him up
Tell me
now.
say, hold on, no beat him up.
All of uno.
Yeah, hold on, no chow. And him too, all the man over there on the bicycle. It's chow and your sister too. Why not lick him for when do? Where you do?
Me no do no mommy. Me see pink something drop off a girl and cause him there play ring
You
roll.
must send a for me, no boy. And what you do make me lick ya? And you know say you're a big man too, finna lick me pitney. You know you're a big man, me finna go prison and for me, no
I
boy.
joke, yeah, man. Me tell her something. I'll do next time. Me lick him, me come put on it for me. Because next time me lick my sister, trouble. That me I tell you. How you mean?
Remember, you know, me the one, you know, tell you, say, me I go call police for you, you know. Because you're a big man, you know. You don't even know I will grab you. I just because I don't want to get in a problem, you know. I will grab you and beat you, the boy. You see, next time, you see, what you saying?
Call police, man. That's what you do. Cause me don't talk to you already, you know.
What you do? Talk out to your mouth because I can't take a problem, you know, little boy.
Me see this something drop off a girl and cause he might play ring.
Alright, let me talk to you, girl. Where do?
Me a play with them and he come and me tell him say nah play with you and he come and come bad me up and take when me sit and fight me.
Yeah, that you do. So, after you go and take off the girl sitting off on your hand and fight the girl, you make me come here so, in an argument with you. But the man, wrong syndicate, you know. I'm a big man, you know. And you know, so not put in your hand for no liquor picking, you know, kind of go prison, you know. But you see, boy, I go beat you because me tell her the way I say, you know, if you fight people, I want come on, bigger joke, and I go beat you. I beat you because you've been telling me to fight.
Yeah, man, if you get beat, man, beat him, man.
Thank you.